Biochars that are produced from various feedstocks has different carbon percentage, that is fixed carbon. Lower temperatures when biochars are produced, even for the same feedstock, the total percentage of carbon is very high, whereas the percentage of carbon is low for higher temperatures of pyrolysis. So low temperatures, high carbon percentage, and high temperatures, low carbon percentage. This is because at higher temperatures we have more stable carbon, so that is very important as part of carbon sequestration. So it means fixed carbon, it would remain within the, say, whenever we apply for the soil or environmental and other applications for long term. Say it can last for up to 1000 years also. Whereas when the biochar produced at low temperatures, the total carbon is high, but it can degrade faster. Means its life will be maybe 250 or 500 years or less. So here aromaticity of the biochar increases with higher temperature. It means the stable carbon chains are formed. So that is very important. We are working at the ground level. People say they have high percentage of carbon and they want to sell it as biochar. But again, the stability of that biochar is very critical aspect. Similarly, at higher temperatures, in the volatiles, many things get removed. In hydrocarbons, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, these are basic, but otherwise nitrogen is another important component. Phosphorus, potassium, calcium, manganese, like that many things. So at higher temperatures, all these elements would also be lost. Within the ashes also we can find, say, silica, especially when we deal with rice husk biochar. So that can get accumulated in the ashes. So here we need to understand same feedstock, low temperature pyrolysis will lead to high carbon percentage. High temperature pyrolysis will lead to low carbon percentage. So this is one of the important aspect of pyrolysis. So optimum temperatures that are defined usually are, say, up to 250 degrees centigrade we say torrefication. So from say about 350 to around 850 degrees centigrade, if this is the broader range of pyrolysis, then around 550 degrees centigrade is very optimum. So production of biochar at 550 degrees centigrade leads to formation of more stable carbon, and that has very good properties for all soil, environmental and all kinds of adaptations and applications. So this aspect we need to keep in mind.